off. On.
This is just the coolest thing. Oh no, I dropped my lollipop.
No problem, Ziggy. Rewind.
It came back.
Sure did.
Do it again. Okay, dropping the lollipop.
Rewind.
Ew, Ziggy, that's disgusting. You're eating it off the floor.
Stephanie, it's the 3-second rule. If it lays on the floor less than 3 seconds, then it's fine.
Come on. Let's see what else my machine can do outside.
Yeah!
And I'll make you do your homework triple speed.
What are you waiting for? Hey, Sportacus.
Hi.
Guess what? Pixel's made a machine that can do everything for you.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah, I mean, he said it'll even do my homework for me.
Really?
Well, gotta go. Bye.
Bye. Maybe I should practice. Start with some warm-ups.
Play. Fast forward.
Yeah! Wow!
Freeze.
Whoa!
Play. See?
This is great!
Yeah.
Okay, Pixel. I'm ready to do my homework.
You got it. How fast do you want to go?
As fast as I can.
Well, here you go. Fast forward.
I'm done! That machine is the greatest.
I definitely want one of those!
Allow me, Ziggy.
Okay,
Rewind.
rewind. So cool! Oh, I'm losing my lollipop!
And again.
Wow, this is great! It makes my smile smile.
Yeah, it sure is the easy life.
Pixel, a little help?
Whoa.
Why, thank you, Pixel.
Let's go see what else it can do. Play baseball.
Yay!
Let's do that again.
Ziggy?
Now let's shoot some hoops. Play. And reverse. And play. And reverse. And play. Cool. Watch what I do with the soccer ball. Play. And play. And play.
Can we play for real?
We are. We're playing everything at once. Play. Rewind. Fast forward. Freeze.
This is so boring.
What do you mean? This is great. Watch this.
Oh.
Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Freeze. You want to try now, Stephanie?
Pixel, this is boring. Can't we play?
That's what we're doing.
No, I mean with our hands, our feet, our bodies.
Yeah, this is no fun, Pixel. It's like having someone else eat candy for you.
Yeah.
Are those kids still playing?
Hey, guys, what's so bad about having a remote control that does everything for you?
What?
Oh, come on.
Well, we want to do something, right, Ziggy?
Yeah, what she said. We want to do something. And when we say something, we mean
Volume
something
down.
that's not nothing.
Pixel, turn it back on.
Volume up.
Don't do this to people. People are people. And
Oops, a little
I'm a
loud.
people person. No, I should know. Huh?
Pixel, I can't believe you would do that. Ziggy's your friend.
I know.
Come on, Ziggy, let's go.
Just kidding. I mean, guys, wait. Pause. Cool.
Yeah. Pixel!
Play.
Ziggy, are you okay?
Well, I was frozen solid as a popsicle.
Come on, Ziggy. Let's get out of here.
Wait, guys, don't go.
Pixel,